Report from Europe Mainland Region 3 Chapter, presented by Pastor Grace Shola-Oludoi, Chairperson. The assigned country, Senegal. Total number of projects, 1 project in 2022 and also 1 project in 2021. Average project duration is about 6 months. Amount spent. In 2022, we spent 2,800 euros in comparison to 2021 when we spent 1,143 euros for palliatives. Impact. The impact was immediately overwhelming. The communities are Boya Tuko, Boya Tua. A. Brethren in these communities were overwhelmed with joy. The long treks to get water for basic needs stopped. B. The generators provided water for irrigation, which enabled the easy flow of water to the farmland. C. Farming was boosted with greater productivity. D. It enhanced and made the preaching of the gospel easier and made the elders of this community of Boya Tua to give RCCG a land to build a church. In Senegal, some university graduates without jobs decided to go into farming, but not without challenges. These challenges required some basic needs to be supplied. Wells for water. 3 wells were needed urgently. Generators or pumping machine to pump the water from the wells to the farms for irrigation. Motorbikes are also needed for economic empowerment. So many are jobless. The farmers will also be glad to be empowered for easy movements of persons and goods. They had a bus that got burnt and prayed for a replacement if possible. After careful analysis of the possible impact of this request placed before us, we requested for the financial implications of all the projects. We eventually chose to embark on the first project, the provision of wells and generators for irrigation farming. We also chose to locate the wells in 2 major communities, not only to serve as wells for irrigation, but also to meet the basic needs of the communities. Highlights of plans for 2022 and 2023. We intend to further provide 1 more well and 2 pumping machines. We are also trusting God for more funds for other feasible projects. The next report is on UK Region 3 Chapter, a newly formed chapter which has the following assigned countries. 1. Malawi. 2. Angola. We are yet to commence on any project in both nations. We are currently discussing with the RCCG national coordinators on possible projects to embark on. Malawi. Pastor Kunle Aderibibe, the national coordinator of Malawi, proposed the following. 1. To repair the damaged wall fence of the 15.2 acres of land earlier purchased for multipurpose usage. 2. To carry out medical outreaches like our predecessors. 3. To provide palliatives for the community. We will commence the rebuilding of the damaged well before the end of the year. Angola. Pastor Joseph Okenwa of Angola promised to get back to us in due course as regards possible projects. Highlight of plans. 1. To rebuild the damaged fence. 2. Medical outreach and palliatives in Malawi. We will continue to engage the country coordinators.